Now the next problem, a capillary tube A is dropped in water. Another identical tube B is dipped in the soap water solution. Which of the following shows the relative nature of the liquid columns in the two tubes? Now, before we attempt this problem, we should know that the rise in capillary height h is given by 2t cos theta upon rho r g, where r is the radius of the capillary tube, rho is the density of the liquid, g is acceleration due to gravity, t is surface tension, and theta is contact angle. Now in both the cases, whether it is pure water or whether it is soap solution water, the meniscus formed will be concave upwards. Okay. The only difference between the two is that in soap water solution, the surface tension will be less. Okay. So the height of capillary tube in soap water solution will be definitely less than in the pure water. Okay. But in both the cases it has to be concave upwards. The meniscus has to be concave upwards. Now if we look at option C, in this the height is more as compared to in B, that means this option is the correct one. Now let us look at the next problem. Suppose an electron is attracted towards the origin by a force k by r, where k is a constant and r is the distance of the electron from the origin. By applying Bohr model to this system, the radius of the nth orbital of the electron is found to be Rn and the kinetic energy of the electron to be Tn. Then which of the following is true? Okay, now what does Bohr model mean? It means that mvr, that is angular momentum, is integral multiple of nh by 2 pi, or you can say that this is constant. Okay, now at a distance r, if an electron is revolving in a circular orbit r, then the necessary centripetal force mv square by r is provided by the force, that is k by r, which is given in the question, right? So if we solve this, we will get mv square is equal to k, and half mv square is the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is half of k. So kinetic energy is a constant term, it does not depend upon n. Okay, so it is independent of n. Now from Bohr's model theory, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Let us say this term is n times some constant c. Okay, h by 2 pi is some constant c. So r will be given by n c by mv. Now v is, from this, v is under root of k by m, which is a constant. So r will be given by n c divided by m under root k by m, which can be further written as n c by under root of k m. Now this term is also constant, so radius r is directly proportional to n. Now let us look at all the options. In option B, Tn is independent of n and r is directly proportional to n. This option B is correct.